Okay, so in this section, we are going to fix some of the functionality of the dashboard that when you click on, you get this function coming soon. So let's get started. This should be fairly easy and fairly quick. When we come over to where we need to be. All right. So on our main dashboard page, if we go and we click on this checkbox for mark task is complete, it will say complete functionality coming soon. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and I'm going to exit out and restart because I'm not sure how much of my context I used. Okay, in dashboard.php, we get the message complete functionality coming soon. That's not letting me copy it. When we try to mark a task complete, and similar messages when we try to edit or delete a task. Please fix. Okay, we're off to haiku. It is, all right, the file is big now. So the file is 31,000 tokens, which is bigger than the maximum limit of 25,000 tokens. That is something that Claude will handle itself. It can only read 25,000 tokens at a time, which is fine because it knows how to handle this because it runs into this all the time. All right, so here we are. We are check if load task for edit function is already implemented elsewhere. It definitely is. Now I have a complete picture. Okay, I'll just let it do its thing. Notice it is actually writing a lot of code. So now it's testing all three functions. This will be one of the fastest repairs I expected. I did not expect it to be this fast. So it's making the activity entry, and now it's pushing the changes to Git. So this was a very good session if this actually ended up working. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hit reload. I want to mark this one as complete. It's complete. I want to take this other one, the update documentation. I want to delete it. It's deleted. And then I want to edit review team performance. And then I'm just going to put a 1, 2, 3 at the end and update the task. Task updated successfully. Review team performance 1, 2, 3. So we did actually fix all those things. All right, so let's just make sure these other buttons over here are working. Add a new task. View all tasks. Okay. So I made a change to tasks.php to change the title. I made a recent change to tasks.php to change the title when viewing pending or completed tasks, but now the title does not reset for all tasks. Now, the beautiful thing about this is when you give it a message, it's assuming there's a problem. It's not saying, hey, this is a great idea, we really like it. No, it knows that when I say it's not changing the title back, it's because it needs to change the title back. So let's just see. So task.php, because there's nothing on the command line, it should actually say all tasks. And it's not doing that. Let's see if this is going to take a few minutes. The title determination logic was checking for filters regardless of whether there were any filters. So if you built pending tasks and then cleared all filters, the code would still check the filtering conditions. Okay, clear all filters gives. All right, now this is interesting because what we also want to do is if we are on the dashboard, so if the user clicks view all tasks from the dashboard, automatically clear all filters. All right, so how are we going to do this? First thing we're going to do is we're going to click on pending. This is creating active filters of pending. So I'm going to click clear all. It did clear the, so 2 fixes ago has definitely been fixed. I'm going to go back to dashboard. I'm going to hit pending again. I'm going to go back to dashboard. And now when I do view all tasks, this is what I want it to do. I want it to clear, and it shows all tasks. All right, this is beautiful. All right, so let's, newest first, oldest first. All right, I've added some new ones, right? So, all right, let's do an inspect. Changing for ID sort equals sort select does not update the source list. Okay, so changing ID equals sort select in task.php does not change the sort order. Please repair. Okay. All right, the issue is likely that the filter persistence is overwriting. Ooh, I see the issue. So all of a sudden, out of nowhere, Haiku started showing its train of thought, which is kind of funny. All right. All right, so this is the last thing we're going to do in this section. It says, it does not look like sorting by date works. Please check. And then Okay. We look like it's updated the activity. Let's just see, oldest first, newest first, due date, earliest. All right, we're going to come back to this one, or we're not. We may just remove the dates out of here, or maybe not. We'll check on this later, but at this point, we got a lot done on the dashboard, which is what we were trying to do. That happened in one prompt for the most part, and then the everything else looks pretty good. So, all right, this was a good session. In our next session, we're just going to keep digging through all these little bugs till we have a completely working template.